When you have a sore throat, poison ivy, or a bad shoulder, you may head to an urgent care facility to get it taken care of.
But when consumer watchdog Jen Strathman heard from patients who left what they thought was an urgent care with huge bills, she started asking questions.
Sandwiched between a sub shop and a plaza full of shopping carts is an unusual addition to a strip mall.
Oh, it's different.
That has shoppers laughing.
You go get Stitches and Subway in the same shopping center.
And others complaining.
This is like a disguise to me. This is not at all what I expected.
After a visit to what they thought was an urgent care.
Oh, JFK is getting into urgent care now.
Karen runs a small business and wanted help fast for a problem with a shoulder.
I couldn't move it. I was in such pain.
Pain that got worse when she found out what she owed.
And I'm like $750. I said, this isn't an urgent care.
That's when she realized the storefront was really an emergency room.
Because it certainly didn't have a hospital attached to it. So I figured it was an urgent care.
This storefront in Palm Beach Gardens and this one in Boynton Beach are a first in Palm Beach County. JFK is the only medical center to have these emergency rooms away from the main campus.
Whatever your emergency needs, we are here for you when you need us.
It's a new trend in healthcare that even JFK admits is catching consumers off guard. There are 3 ways to tell the difference between an urgent care and an emergency room.
First, outside, the familiar red letters showing this is an emergency room. Then when you go in, you are not asked for your ID or an insurance card. JFK says it treats patients first.
And I said, don't you need my insurance card or my driver's license? And she goes, no, not yet.
And third, at an ER, no prices are posted. But at an urgent care, posted prices are required.
I couldn't believe it.
Serena Murray went to the Gardens location for a sore throat. She left with a bill for $3,000.
What did you think when you saw that?
I thought it was a mistake.
It's not a mistake, but Serena hasn't backed down. She hasn't paid the bill in a year.
Why are you fighting these bills so passionately?
I don't want this to happen to anyone else. $3,000 for a visit was completely unexpected and a huge hit to our budget.
Karen avoided a bigger hit to her budget. She left when she realized the difference.
Had it been my daughter or my mother, and they told them as many times as they told me, you have to stay here, they would have stayed.
So if you'd like JFK's full statement, you can go to our website, WPTV.com/watchdog. Now, JFK, the hospital, does list some prices online for some of the most common procedures. When asked why they don't do that for its off-site ER, the hospital told me that it's too difficult with all the different insurance plans. I'm consumer watchdog Jen Strathman, fighting for you.